Hello viewers, I am Shraddha Sukadeve and you are watching P Times News. Addiction is a word synonymous to destruction and fatality. Each one of us is familiar with the phrase, anything in excess isn't good. And so does addiction of losing control over your senses and everything around. Today, we are taking you to Nigeria, wherein a sweet yet deadly epidemic is sweeping off Nigerian population, especially its youth. Codeine, a cough syrup which has a taste resembling to a sweet strawberry, holds the capacity to make you high and also believe in an imaginary world of yours. If consumed excessively, it could prove fatal. According to Nigerian government, 3 million bottles are consumed every single day in just 2 of its states. This street drug has not only trapped Nigerian boys into it, but also Nigerian girls and women are falling prey to it. Each year, Nigerian government seizes and destroys large quantities of this sweet drug. It's making endless efforts to address this issue. Various rehab centers are built up to help the addicts come out of their situation. The withdrawal symptoms of the addicts a lot of times give rise to violent behavior. To prevent and gain control over it, they are chained for several days and sometimes weeks pass by. Overconsumption of codeine cough syrup can cause organ cancer and also schizophrenia. The number of addicts is rapidly increasing in the country and has reached the level of utmost seriousness.
And I go more. They wouldn't mind dropping, giving you the key of this motor I'm carrying. But satisfy that urge. Being so much smart and vigilant is a price that this thing
That's it, okay. So this is 2, 4, 6, 10. 10.
But the hairstyle we used to is direct from the oven. It's an oven bed.
It's open bed. Fresh.
It's an oven bed.
Freshly
Look
baked.
at the cup. It's sealed. It's sealed with
After buying the syrup, all of it was poured down the drain. We didn't want it to end up on the black market or in the hands of an addict. The company says its irresponsible and compliant business is reviewing distribution policies and treating our findings with the utmost seriousness. Codeine cough syrup can be deadly if you take too much. It can cause organ failure and even schizophrenia. This rehab center in Kano is a place of nightmares. This cough syrup addict was found out of control in the city, arrested and brought into the center a few days before.
He's
shouting.
He's screaming.
He's screaming.
He's still in withdrawal syndrome now. He's still having his withdrawal issue now.
Staff chained him to a tree. He was too violent to be close to others. They will stay like this for weeks, swarming with flies. No books, no television, nothing. And still, they keep coming.
As I'm talking to you, it's alarming. For every week that passes, before we could get maybe 2 or 3 within a week, but now we 6, 7, 8, sometimes even 10 within a week.
Many of the cough syrup addicts are suffering, shivering and unstable with withdrawal symptoms. In one room, we found a girl of just 16 years. She's been in the center 2 months, feeling weak and still shaking as the syrup leaves her system. Her message to others is simple.
It really breaks my heart to see children like this and see young men like this. Honestly, it's really, really bad. And everybody knows the situation of this codeine now. No, it's not a hidden thing. We can't lie to ourselves, and we can't deceive anybody. The truth should be told. And we are saying it out, that this thing is a serious issue. It is biting everybody. It's going from one home to another. If you think you are safe, you are not safe.
Addiction is not just a problem of Nigeria, but the entire world is struggling with it. India too is not lagging behind. It's P Times and Pharmacist Times News' effort to sensitize you about it. It's them today. It could be you or your loved one tomorrow. Stay aware and stay safe.
दवा एवं स्वास्थ्य संबंधी खबरों को जानने के लिए YouTube पे हमारा पी टाइम्स चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।